it, and we want you to know it because it's everything. So let's go and let me explain to you what Tonoit is. So what is Tonoit? Tonoit is a referral marketing business opportunity which uses a revenue share plan which pays commissions daily in Bitcoin to those who refer the product. So what does that mean? That means that we have a trend and forecast report that's a digital good. And that digital good is so good that people are making lots of money and profiting off of the trend and forecast reports. When these reports were being done years ago, people loved them so much and they were profiting in crypto from them that they asked if they could refer the product out. Hence, we created Tonoit. So Tonoit is the affiliate marketing business of this incredible product that you're getting, and it's a digital good that goes over cryptocurrency and alternative cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, altcoins, and it teaches you the trend. And why is the trend important? It's important because we teach you the highs and the low points of the cryptocurrency. So if you're going to invest in cryptocurrency, you need to know the highs and the lows in order to farm coins and profit. And we teach you that with our product. When you become a referral affiliate, you get the product and you get it for a whole year if you buy the Galaxy subscription because you're going to do the business, which is what most people do. So when you get the product, then you can sponsor it and you can help other people get the product and you can teach them about cryptocurrency and how to also learn how to be debt free. So that's exactly what Tonoit is. Now, what is the product that we have? We have lots of products in Tonoit. So let me go over the wonderful array of products that you get with your subscription. You get a blog post, you get reports and updates. You get one, at least one every week, if not more. Okay. You also get an incredible product, which is a top 40 cryptocurrency report. This is updated about quarterly, and it is actually a wealth of information on 40 different cryptocurrencies. Some of the top ones, and we also teach you what the top 5 coins are to invest in to reduce your risk, knowing which ones are the most desired coins, you should say, or the ones that are going to profit the most or are expected to. So we actually teach you this in these trend and forecast reports that you get. Now, these reports can be very detailed, they can be full of information, and therefore we ask you to come onto a live webinar once a week. Every week we have one live webinar where you get Marius Landman, who's our chief analyst, to explain to you the report. He goes over it in detail, and this is a chance for you guys. You don't have to pay hourly fees for a very experienced technical analyst. You get it with your subscription. You get to ask questions, you know, about the coins that you may be questioning about investing in that week. It's like having your own private investor right there, part of your subscription that you get. So you get that included. You get the webinar. It's not extra. You also get an e-store that has incredible training videos in it. That most of them are actually free. Some of them cost a little bit of money if you're interested in learning a more advanced stage of cryptocurrency. But the one that's really important is to learn is to know how to farm coins. And there is a free farming coins video that's 15 minutes in your e-store. And there's lots of other free videos in there that are really good quality, and they will help teach you cryptocurrency for free. You get that with your subscription. Another thing that you get is a dashboard portal. There's a lot of companies out there, guys, that actually charge you $10, $25, sometimes even $50 in order to do all your accounting, keep up with your affiliates, do your payouts, and you have to pay for that extra. We don't charge you extra for that. Your dashboard portal is free. And a lot of people don't know it, but we just got through having the dashboard training. We have dashboard training once a week with Jennifer. She is graciously volunteers her time to give us that training. And she goes over and shows you the really incredible parts of the dashboard. So if you don't know where to find things, she can go over that with you. Also, she will show you how your dashboard actually trains into multiple languages. And this is really important because we're a global company and we're all over the world and we're in many different languages. And by the switch of a button, you can actually turn the reports themselves into that language. So that's really an incredible thing that you actually get as a product. Now, who owns and operates Tonoit? The founders that we have of Tonoit are Gavin Victor. He's our Director of Business Operations. He runs the administrative team, and he does all the payouts and the accounting and all of the things that have to do around with your membership or subscription. Ijoki Enax, who we had the pleasure of having on the call earlier, he is actually our Director of Marketing. He is one of the founders of Tonoit, and he's actually over the IT team. So he handles a lot right now, and he is doing a lot of promotional, a lot of marketing. His team is engrossed in all kinds of website development, things that are going to increase and make Tonoit even better than what it is. He works on the videos, all of the business development and marketing. We then have Marius Landman, who is my wonderful husband, who I get the pleasure of doing life with. And he is the chief analyst and trader. We've been trading cryptocurrency for many years, and he has an international global team of TAs that he gets with, and they break down data from all over the world in order to get the correct trend and forecast of each one of these cryptocurrencies. So that's who the founders are of Tonoit. They actually operate Tonoit, but they like you to believe that the community actually owns Tonoit. This is your business, and we want to see you grow your business to success. How do we trade? A lot of people ask that. How they say, how do you come up with the trend and forecast? How do you predict where the coins are going to go? Well, Marius and his team have actually given us this slide to explain to people. I don't need to go over all of it, but 42% of the data that comes in is methodological analysis, advanced algorithm, artificial intelligence. That's where most of it comes in. It's technical TA work. Other than that, you've got certain percentages that are market capability, market sentimentality, and then the undisclosed amount is an algorithm that Marius and his team has actually figured out the path and prediction of Bitcoin into the future. And so far that algorithm is spot on. The only thing we can't do anymore is predict the time that things happen, but we do know what is going to happen and how it's going to happen, and we disclose that as we go so that you can get them in a weekly report and keep up with them. Okay, a lot of people ask this when you're trying to sell Tonoit, and for those people who may be on the call who are brand new to cryptocurrency, you want to know, is Bitcoin a good investment? Absolutely. You ask me, and I'm going to tell you it's a great investment. It's made me debt free. I'm not bragging about that. I'm not, saying that it's awesome, but it is awesome, guys. I mean, cryptocurrency got me where I need to be. Okay. So anybody that tells me it's a bubble and it's going to burst, I just laugh at them. It's the real deal. It's not going away. We've taken the price of Bitcoin on September 26th of every year since its inception in 2010 when it was introduced at 6 cents a Bitcoin, if you can imagine, to last year in 2019, it was 8,435. Today, it's actually right around 10,000, somewhere between 9 and 10,000, and we're expecting a spike recently. So keep up with your blog post. But in 2019, I'm going to explain to you the power of cryptocurrency. In January of 2019, it was at its low. You could buy one Bitcoin for $3,100. I wished I would have bought more of it today, back then in January. But if you would have just bought and held on to your cryptocurrency, then in Bitcoin went up to its high in July for 2019 of 13,000. For every Bitcoin you would have bought, you would have made $10,000 profit. And I don't know any other asset that you could buy that you're going to be able to increase that kind of wealth that fast. Okay. Now, today, when we did this video slide several months ago, it was 8,100. And as you can see today, even it's now even higher than that. It's actually gained another couple thousand. So Bitcoin prices go up and down, and this volatility in the market is how we make money with it. Using our product, what we do is we trade the trend. And I'm going to show you how powerful that is and what we call farming coins, because you don't have to put any more money into cryptocurrency than what you already have in cryptocurrency, and you can learn how to farm coins and increase your wealth with the coins that you already possess. And that's what we teach in Tonoit. So here's a few Bitcoin facts for you, is that Bitcoin actually began in 2008. It was released in 2009, so it's only about 10 years old. There are only 21 million Bitcoins that will ever be in existence. Okay. It was created that way. Why? So that it would be limited. And the limitation of the coins actually gives it its value, guys. Everybody says, well, how can you invest in something that's just, you can't see it, you can't feel it? And you know what I tell people as far as Bitcoin goes is think about your bank card. You don't see and feel real cash. You're not trading real rand or real Nigerian dollars or real Australian dollars or US currency. It just electronically put into your bank account and you electronically use it. So you never really see and feel your money anyway. Cryptocurrency isn't any different. It's what holds its value. So why is it valued? It's because it's limited. And the more that people are buying it up, the more high demand that it becomes, the value increases even more and more. So today there is over 85% of these Bitcoins have been issued now. And there's only about 3 million of them left to be mined. It's probably less than that now. And we have the halvening event coming up in May. And anybody who doesn't know what the halvening is of Bitcoin, you need to read up on it and find out that most of the time, as in history past in the last 10 years, every time Bitcoin halves, it usually goes up. So now is a prime time to get your Bitcoin before that happens in May. So at today's price, well, today's price is a little even higher than that. You needed 122 Bitcoins to be a millionaire. When Bitcoin finally goes up to $100,000 a Bitcoin, you're only going to need 10 Bitcoins. Guys, if you bought 10 Bitcoins in January of last year, that would have been $31,000. That's less than a car for some people. This could actually potentially make you a millionaire if you would have bought just in January of last year. So what is our community advantage with Tonoit? Well, it's Marius Landman, the chief data analyst, and his team. They actually work 24/7 globally to try and get this trend and forecast for all of these coins that you guys are investing in. And you get a wealth of information in these reports that you get. Anybody that says, well, who is Marius Landman? And, you know, is he the real deal? Does he know what he's talking about? I've added this link here that you can go look up his bio. Okay, this is his professional bio. So if you want to read about him and his extensive experience, feel free to go do so. He is the real deal. He's got over 30 years combined experience in complex system auditing, global trend, and algorithm forecast modeling. He was actually the first to call the high in December 2017 at 19,500. He was also the first to call the low at 6,500 in March 29th of 2018. He is still and still does remain a consultant. He is a high-level auditor with high credentials in his field, and he is well respected as an auditor, and many people here in Australia know who he is. He's one of the very few that can actually do audits for the Coordinator General here in Australia. So anybody in Australia would know that you have to have pretty high credentials to do that. He still remains on the referral consultancy list with Shell and several of these other oil companies that he's all worked for. He also has clients now as a Bitcoin trader, and he's got one well-known billionaire, several millionaires around the world he trades with, several big banks, prominent oil and gas CEOs, and he is backed by Pinnacle Investments. So anybody that has a question, they can ask any of those people, and they will know who Marius Landman is. He's not hard to find. This is what your dashboard looks like. I'm not going to go into detail with it too much, but because we have a training that we do every Wednesday that will go over that for you. But your picture goes here, your payout wallet is here, and this is where your commissions are. Everybody needs to know that we pay commissions daily. As people are buying subscriptions, you're getting paid commissions as you are referring. That money will show up right here. This is a USD value in your payout wallet. It doesn't do any good sitting in here, guys. It's just like a savings account. We encourage you, and this is the great thing about Tonoit is they don't want to keep your money. They want you to get it out. So you set your Bitcoin wallet up and make sure you cash that out. When you have $50 or more, you need to get that in cryptocurrency and get it trading for you. There are quite a few people that have money sitting in their payout wallets and they're just sitting there. They need to be working for you in cryptocurrency and earning cryptocurrency for you. So anyway, I won't go on and on about that, but it's just, I like to see people making money, and the way you're going to do that is get it in the market. So we have categories over here. We've got the breakdown. This weekly market call is where you're going to find a weekly webinar recording. If you cannot be on the call, we highly encourage you to listen and keep up with the blog post. So this is an example of what the product looks like that you're going to find, and you can find it in several different areas of your dashboard. This is just a little quick snippet of what a report can look like. This is a past report, but we blogged out some of this data because it's proprietary data that our subscribers pay for. So we don't want to give that out to everybody. But actually, Marius and his team tell you what they're 100% invested in. We do not give out financial advice. We give out the information as to what we are investing in, and we tell you what we're investing in because we've made a lot of money in cryptocurrency, and we want to share that with you. But it is your decision how you invest your cryptocurrency and how you trade your coins. We give you the data, we teach you the trend, and we teach you where the highs and lows are. So this is what our product does, and you make the best decision for yourself. But you can trade cryptocurrency yourself very easily by using our reports. So I want to teach everybody, which I think is the highlight of Tonoit, actually, is farming coins. And we want to teach everybody how to trade cryptocurrency the proper way, and the power of farming coins and learning to trade the trend on the highs and the lows. So I'm going to give it to you in 8 sentences. It's very easy. I'm going to use a real live example from January of last year when cryptocurrency, when Bitcoin was at $3,000. We told you in our product that we were buying in. We were at the low, and we are now buying. So let's just say you followed our report and you decided to buy in at 1 Bitcoin at $3,000. So you did that in January. Now you held on and you were watching our reports, but you're really busy with your business, and you decided that you just don't really have lots and lots of time to trade. So you decide you're just going to hold your Bitcoin until it goes up to about 20,000 and you're going to make a good profit. Well, in July of last year, Bitcoin got to 13,000, and we told you we are now selling our Bitcoin. We suggest you do the same. So what does that mean? That means you sell out into a stable coin. You get out of the market and you take your $10,000 profit that you have now and you preserve it. All the while the market starts going down, 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 down. So instead of you're not stressing, you're not fearful, you haven't lost a dime, you just made $10,000 in crypto. You're laughing all the way to the bank. But while everybody else doesn't know that crypto is going down and what the trend is, now they're stressing because they've lost money and they're going to lose all of their profits and they don't know what to do. So now it gets to be October. And originally, let's just say Marius told you that it was going to go all the way back down to 3,000. So you're just sitting waiting for it to get back down to 3,000 to buy some more. So now it gets to October, and all of a sudden the trend changes again. Marius and his team get new data in, and the trend changes, and it's not going to go to 3,000 anymore. So they send out a report immediately, and they update you on Telegram, and they say, guys, we are telling you that we are buying back now. It's now at $8,000 a Bitcoin, but we believe the low is in, and it's going to go up to 20,000. So now you're buying back in with us. Okay. What just happened? You took your $13,000 that you preserved, you buy back in a Bitcoin when it's $8,000, and now you have 1.65 of a Bitcoin. Okay. You just farmed. Hold on just a minute. We've got somebody's on. If everybody could just mute, that would be great. Okay. Now we just farmed 1.65 of a Bitcoin. Okay. More than half a Bitcoin you just earned by sitting out of the market and buying back. Okay, we're gonna have to ask everybody to mute. I don't know how to do that here. Sorry guys. Okay, there it went. Somebody muted. Okay, I lost everybody. Hold on just a minute. Okay, so what happened was you got 1.65 of a Bitcoin. Now, if you would have just bought in January 1 Bitcoin at 3,000, oh, here we go again.
Okay, okay.
Hold on, it's not muted.
Maybe you can make me co-host so I can help you.
That would be great.
Thank you.
Sorry about that, guys. Okay, where are you, Ejog? Okay, you're now co-host. Thank you for that. Go back to sharing.
I will call you, Mother. You know, saying don't call.
Then Bitcoin goes up to 20,000. You still have really good profit. This is why Bitcoin is a good investment. So your profit is now $17,000 if you just bought and held. However, if you farmed coins when Bitcoin goes to 20,000, you now have $33,000 because you have 1.65 of a Bitcoin and your profit is now 30,000. So this is what I want to show everybody, is that by buying on the low and reselling on the high, cashing out, buying back on the low, this is what our product actually teaches you to do. And there's a difference of almost double your portfolio, guys, just by farming coins. And it's a very simple, easy task to do. And I'm going to show you a little bit more about that. So this is the evidence of our report for the last couple of years. So back here, this is a critical time in the market, guys. Right here, this is when Bitcoin started getting very popular and familiar, and people were talking about Bitcoin, and they were actually buying the spike. Everybody was buying in right here, and this is where people have a bad taste in their mouth for Bitcoin because of the fact that they bought in at $14,000, $15,000. The all-time high was 19,000 in December 2017. We told everybody in our report with Tonoit that we're at the high and we got out of the market. So everybody that was getting our reports got out of the market. They knew about that high. However, everybody that bought in at $15,000, $16,000, $17,000, they're now in a loss even till today. And they know it, that, you know, we're down to $8,000, $9,000, and they still have, they've lost half of their investment. Okay. However, for those people who bought in even at the high and they got out at $19,000 and sat in a stable coin, what happened was our product told you we were at the low again here. We got back in the market. We sold here, we bought, we sold, we bought, we sold, all the way in this trend. For 2017 to 18, there was a downtrend. Even though we're in a bull market, if you zoom out, you'll see a bull market. This is a downtrend. And we gained 518% gains farming coins in this downtrend. This is what our product does, and this is why it's powerful. Now, from 2018, we've gone up and around and sideways and down, and now we're going back up again. We're in the uphill climb for 2020. So this is why you need to know what the trend is doing. So that is our product, Tonoit. Okay, guys, this is what our product does for you. It teaches you cryptocurrency. It teaches you where to buy, when to sell, and following what we suggest or what we are doing should actually make you quite profitable in cryptocurrency. So I'm going to take 8 more minutes of your time. And for those people who are actually working the affiliate marketing business, I'm going to show you how to do it super fast and to a huge residual income if you take it seriously. Now, the key is you need $500. So could $500 change your life forever? I'm going to show you absolutely it can. I don't know any other business that you're going to get in for $500 or less and be able to make this incredible, insane residual income. The key to know it is these things, is you need 30 days. You have to commit yourself to 30 days. If you are in other businesses, you're working other network marketing things, you are going to be sidetracked, you are not going to be focused, and you are not going to get this done. I'm just going to tell you that right now. You have to make that commitment for 30 days to get this done. You get 100% support available. We do the presentations for you. I give them every week. Ejo gives them every week. Many of the team leaders are out there giving them weekly. You've got lots of support available. You've got an incredible dashboard, and you have everything that you need. There's nothing more that you have to buy. And we don't sell packages for you to have to buy to use and market and other things. There's no hidden surprises with Tonoit. $500 subscription is what you need, and most people make it back the first 2 weeks. If not, usually by the first 3 months, you will get all of that back, and your entire subscription to this incredible product is yours to use for an entire year after you get all of the money back. That's what's really crazy about it. Continuous income flow. We teach you residual income. The big question is, are you willing to make this commitment and work for only 30 days? Can you make that happen? You know, I intentionally go out and look for people and I interview them whether they're going to make it or not for me. You only need 2 direct referrals that get it and take it seriously, and you can earn this income. And what kind of income can you earn? A minimum of $300,000 in 18 months or less if you take it serious. That's a lot of money, people. That can put some people at home. I don't know about you, but $300,000 is a lot of income. So we're going to show you how to do it. So we use what's called the 4 Rsp Payout. A lot of people like to say that it's a multi-level marketing business, but we like to say that it's a revenue share plan because it doesn't work anything like a network marketing business. In a network marketing business, if you've been in them, and most people have, you've got 2 legs that run, usually one strong. You have to work the other unless you meet business volume and you keep putting money back into the company and you keep buying products and things. You only get paid on certain one legs, and if the other leg doesn't mix or match, you don't get paid. We don't work like that, guys. If you build, we pay you. This is what the incredible thing is with Tonoit, is the founders actually pay out 85% of the Bitcoin that comes in goes right back out to the affiliates. None of the founders take a salary. After operating costs on what's left of it, they split it 3 ways. That's how they get their money. However, it's enough. It's enough for them because they want you guys to have the majority of it. And they even put in 2 Bitcoin, guys, and 1 Bitcoin last year for a prize drawing. And now we've got another. The first 2 months of this year, we've got 2 more Bitcoins the founders have put in. More money put back in for you guys to earn. So how do we do this? Your first goal is a rising star payout. That's the very first thing that you need to do, is get your 2 people in and make yourself a rising star. It's really easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it. White star payout. You're either going to get $20 or $5, and that depends on how fast you move. We want you to move within 30 days. So if you do your job in 30 days, then you'll get the $20 white star. If it takes you longer than 30 days, it's okay. You're still going to get $5 white star when you reach the goal, but it's just, this is not your meat and potatoes. This is extra. We put it out there for those people who are going to take to know it seriously. We want to pay you to do that. The level payout that you get is 2 by 18. 18 levels is all you get in your business, but it's all you need, and I'm going to show you that. 18 levels is enough. Direct referral payout. If you are incredible at sales, if you are good at sales, not everybody is, but if you are good and you want to put in more than 2, you should probably consider the lifetime members only, which is a 15% payout for all direct referrals. If you're working the 2 by 2, the Galaxy is plenty for you. It's 10% payout commission, and that's all you need. Now I'm going to show you really quick how the 2 by 2 works, guys, and how simple it is for you to get your $500 back that you're going to put in to do this business. We're going to use you as an example. This is you. You know Wendy and Marius. Let's just use us for an example. So you come to Wendy and Marius your first couple days into Tonoit, and you say, look at this. You show us, you say, you know, I don't really know much about the business, but I just know that it's an incredible opportunity, and I'm already in cryptocurrency now, and I can't explain it quite to you yet, but I'd love for you to come to a Wednesday presentation and sit and listen to what this is about. If you're interested in it, get back with me, and I'll work with you to get this off the ground. That's all you have to do. That's an easy one. If you know how to give the presentation, give it right away. But the first couple of days, you come and talk to Wendy and Marius, and we say, you know what, this is a great opportunity. We came to your Wednesday presentation, and we're all in. I know 2 people that will do this business, and so does Marius. So what just happened? We bought our $500 Galaxies, and we landed in this business. Now, the direct bonus that you get paid, you get $50, which is the 10% commission because you're a Galaxy. So you get a 10% commission off of each of us, and you get a $25 level bonus. So you just made 150 of those dollars back. So now you're not even in it for 500. You just made 150 of it back. So now Wendy gets busy and she goes out the very next couple days and she goes to 2 of her friends and she gets 2 of her friends in. And then Marius does the same. We have a barbecue, we have him over, and he gets 2 of his buddies in, and we're all in now. This all can happen the very first week. Okay? First couple days, me and Marius, next couple days our friends come in. What you're looking at right now on the screen is a rising star. That is how easy and how quick you can be a rising star. You plus 2 plus 2. That's rising star, guys. Now, just what happened, you made another $100 rising star bonus. You will see that immediately in your back office. Another $100 back. Now, what just happened? You qualified because you did all this within 30 days. You can see how fast it can be done. You qualified for the $20 white star bonus. Bingo. You also got $40 for the level bonus for these 4 people that came in. So now what happens is our 2 people go out and they find their 2 people the next week. Let's just give them another week to get through the Wednesday presentation. They bring their 2 people in. Guess what happened? Wendy's now a rising star, and so is Marius. We're both rising stars now, 2 plus 2. That's how easy it is. So what happens? All these green ones brings in $60 that you get paid. You're getting paid off of all these people coming in. Now, when Wendy gets to be rising star, you will have been paid $195 in commission while Wendy is building her rising star. Now, when Marius comes in as a rising star, he brings you $195. So now you've also earned the $100 rising star bonus. You have $490 that you just earned back. Your entire $500 subscription can be paid back within the first week or 2 weeks of you coming into Tonoit. If you're serious to build this business in 30 days, this is how you do it. Because what happens from here is it just continues on. Once it gets started, everybody only needs 2 people. And as everybody can find 2 people and do this in 30 days, your business will just take off. Let me show you the money. What I mean. Let's just take the slow-mo path. Okay, let's just say that it takes you the whole 30 days to bring in 2 people. Okay. There's your $150 when those 2 people come in. Now let's just say the next 30 days, it takes Wendy and Marius the whole 30 days to find our 2 people. Then you're going to get another $180. Now let's just say the next month, it takes those people 30 days to bring in their 2 people. Well, in 3 months' time, you'll see that you'll have your $500 subscription back in 3 months. And that's going super, super duper slow if you're building the business. Okay, from there on out, it takes off. And if everybody does what they're supposed to do with their 2 people, in 9 months' time, you're going to see 10,240 USD a month in your commissions. You will have made that. So this is the crazy money, guys. And then it goes from there. From month 10 all the way down to 18, when it fills out completely, you'll have in the millions. So as you can see, telling you that in 18 months' time, you will have a minimum of 300,000 is realistic, because usually by about the 13th month, you should have pretty close to that at 245. You can see the white star bonuses here and how much they can bring you. So it's not chunk change by any means, but it is not the meat and potatoes. The meat and potatoes is over here on your level bonuses that you're going to get off of Tonoit. Whether you start now or if you it takes you a little bit longer to get there, this money is real, guys, and this is what people are earning. So here we've taken some screenshots of the back office not too long after we trial ran this in Abuja, Africa. And this is just some of the people that actually got with the program and they took it seriously. They bought into Galaxy. They had a couple, 2 people, and August 8th, they had in 6 weeks' time $7,775 that they had earned. This particular person came in August 30th, and in 5 weeks' time had $7,300. This person came in August 3rd, and they had 6 weeks later $6,773. So they've more than made their $500 back. I took this screenshot of the back office on January 11th, and now I've taken all of the names and all of the email addresses off. But as you can see, this is just a real live snapshot of some of the hard workers and the people that are in Tonoit already. Now, whether you work the business as a direct referral and you are really good at marketing and development, some of these lifetime people are really busy and they've already made, this was as of January. So in less than about a year or about a year's time, they're rocking out $20,000. Okay. But look at all the ones in yellow, all the ones in yellow. This is not one person, people. This is quite a few people here. This is just one page of the back office. And this is August 2nd, 2019. These people are rocking serious money, people. And these are even more now. We're a month later now from when I took this screenshot. But as you can see, these are Galaxy positions, and these are the people that are working the 2x2. This column right here is what was sitting in their payout wallet. So, I mean, they're making money so fast they can't even get it all out fast enough. You know, usually when you get about $50, you're taking this money out. But look at these people. They've got $500, $400 that they're just cashing out. But this is the money that they've made since August. This is when they came in. This is crazy. So I just wanted to show you that it's real and it's not just one person that's doing this. This is why our company is booming right now. People are seeing that it really does work. We really do pay out the commissions. They're more than made their $500 back very easily if you take this seriously. So here are just some of the testimonies that we have from real people that are using the product, and we've got hundreds of them. So the product stands for itself as to be a top-notch product. Marius Adams actually said, I've never seen a program that's so accurate in predicting crypto prices. It's incredible how accurate we predict the trend. F. Creel said, by buying 6 recommended coins, his initial capital grew by over 50%, and he's still in shock. Hope he's not still in shock now. But B. Gao said, I made 63.39% gains in my first 2 months of being part of Tonoit. And this is swing trading, learning how to trade the trend with our product. P. Griffin said that, you know, he's not been in Tonoit very long, as back in June, but he liked the fact that Marius actually shares his own action plans and portfolio strategies with you on the webinar. It creates a lot of confidence in him and how the decisions that he's making on his own portfolio are. So there's lots and lots of testimonies, guys, for you to do it. So what's next? How do I get involved in Tonoit? Tonoit is everything. If we know it, you know it, we want you to know it. We want you to be involved in Tonoit. We love this community, and the people are excited for a reason. It's not fake excitement. It's because they're really seeing the money, guys. So get back with the person that referred you to Tonoit. Activate your $500 membership and start doing the 2x2. We actually have a 2 Bitcoin promotion going on right now. I'm going to let Ijoki tell you about that, but you still can make that happen. You can still get part of this, the 2 Bitcoins that are given away. So the thing that you need to do now is learn how to open up a trading account, get in the Tonoit market, get the updates, learn how to swing trade, learn how to farm coins, watch the videos in the back office, and get going on your 30 days. So you get your White Star bonus, and you get with your team. You will have a lot of team support you. We've got lots of people in Tonoit that are here to help you. And I'm going to give it over to Ijoke with that and let him, he wants to talk to you a little bit, but he's one of our founders. He's one of the most active, actually, founder that we have, because he's out there with boots on the ground. He's actually out there with people promoting, giving presentations, and he is out there listening to you guys on what you need from us to help you build your business. So Ijoke, hopefully he's still with us. Maybe I put him to sleep. Ijoke, are you there? Ijoke, are you there? There you are.
Hi, Wendy.
Hey.
Fantastic.
I'm going to give it over to you.
Oh, thank you very much, Wendy. That's very good presentation. I like the style of presentation. It's quite different from what we use over here. And,
it is different. It is different.
Yeah. So I would just like to touch base with. I trust the recording will be available, right? Okay, fantastic. I just like to touch base on the ongoing promo right now. Okay, we have 10 days left. Okay, you can see it on the screen. We have 10 days left, and a lot of people are getting fired up. A lot of people are close to the finish line. Okay, so guys, this is no longer $18,000. This is way over $20,000. That's a good price of Bitcoin. It's very exciting, and get into the pool. It's for you. The money is for you. The money is for you. The money is just there, waiting and waiting to be taken. All right. Then number two is that I wanted to also show. Um, we have our time is actually gone. Okay, so let me not dig deep into this. Maybe tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow during the Let's Talk, I'm going to show them that it's actually one skill that can also help you in your presentation to convert more people and get them to understand better our offering. So that's it for me. Thank you very much, Wendy, and thank you.
Awesome. Okay, great. So, okay, I'll upload the video. I'll send it to you as soon as I'm done with it. It takes a little bit of time, but we did record it.
Okay, one more thing, Wendy. Just to be on the same page, okay, just a quick reminder. These meetings happen this same time every day, Monday to Thursday.
Yes.
Of every week. Okay. On Mondays, we have the Bull of Beer. We go through the reports. We teach people how to farm. We show them how simple it is to convert from volatile to stable. So if you have new partners, they have to be in that meeting. If you want to maximize the reports, you have to be in that meeting. Then on Tuesday, we have our growth series. Yesterday, when they handled it, it was very powerful. This forthcoming Tuesday, we have a very powerful speaker who's going to be teaching us another direction of perspective on how we can grow in life. It's very, very powerful, and it promises to be great. Then every Wednesday like this, it's about to know it. We do presentation, we do dashboard training, how you can be more effective in your business, know exactly how to navigate through the back office, how to navigate through the presentation, how to show the business to the next person. You know, that's all about Wednesday. Then on tomorrow, okay, it's gonna be like a new in-house conversation where we interact and get to know what's going on with the community where you are, how we can improve it, what we can learn from you, what you can learn from us. Okay. So it's going to be very powerful tomorrow. So hope to see everyone in the room tomorrow and invite everyone in the team because the best is yet to come. So thank you very much, Wendy. By the way, Wendy, we have something that we're launching very, very soon. I dropped that yesterday. We're launching a product that will help more people get there too easily on or before 30 days. It's mind blowing.
Okay.
Wendy, this thing has been tested in the last 8 months and it's been doing very, very well.
Yes.
It's been doing very, very. So it's going to be very exciting. So guys, just plug in and just stay connected for the new updates. Thank you very much, Wendy. Over to you.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys all for coming. I did have one question here that somebody had asked if the Zoom ID will be used continually. For this presentation, yes. We don't have a problem with anybody coming on and learning about Tonoit. We don't share confidential information on this channel for people. So we want all new people from all over globally to come on to our Tonoit, and even old members who maybe are not active right now, they can come on and share and things, but we're not sharing confidential data on here on these meetings. But the other ones, we may have to consider doing different IDs for those. So that is a good question. I'll talk to you, Joke, about that because those people need to be a member of Tonoit to be on the other calls. Good question. Thank you, Lannister. Okay, great. We'll see you guys next week. Or actually, we're going to see you guys tomorrow on Let's Talk. If anybody is interested, come to the meeting tomorrow with you, Joke, on Let's Talk. Okay, we'll see you then. Bye-bye.